Hello everyone, this is Rutik and here we are launching one new product called the BuildFlow. So BuildFlow is a revolutionary product in the AC industry and it's solving lots of problem in it. So first of all, let me tell you what is the AC industry, what kind of a problem we want to solve using the BuildFlow. So let's start. So first of all, AC industry means the architectural, construction, engineering industry, the peoples who works in the construction sector like that. But in the architecture or construction industry, there is one invisible problem. There is a lots of invisible problem. So the main problem is it's not the architectural talent or anything. It's like using lots of tool, and due to that tools, our data get lost. Like I am using the one tool for the description and all. I am for briefing. I am using another tool. For the cost estimation, I am using the another tool. For doing Excel sheet, spreadsheet, I am using the another tool. And I know that the time of architecture is not belong to the spreadsheet. They don't want to spend their 2 or 3 days in the spreadsheet or in the manual task. So here we are automating all sort of things within a seconds. So first of all, let me tell you how we can achieve this, and after that I will show the demo of it. So we are using lots of things. We are using AI for it. We have actually we are building workflow builder where each node act as a separate tool. It's take the text and give perfect description for you. It's take the text and give the perfect brief to you. From it, it's generate the 2D or 3D model for you, and using that descriptions, it's give the means cost estimation. There is a lots of things we are doing in one canvas. Like if you want the description, you put the description node, and for cost estimation for the 3D building. So we are just adding nodes in the pipeline, and when we hit the run button, our workflow get runs within a second. So let me show you how it's work. Let's come in. Hello everyone, we are here and our build flow is live. We can able to see it, we can able to use it. So we are able to see that basically build flow is automation for the workflow builder, and we are able to generate 3D image or 3D rendering from the text itself. We have the instant renders. We are able to convert our spreadsheets, our IFC exports and all. So basically it is a AI powered feature, AI powered application, and it's take only means within a minutes or within a few seconds we able to build our full workflow. We are just dragging our nodes and hitting the run button, and we are able to see the actual power. So basically there is only 3 steps, like a drag and drop, connect the nodes and run. That's it. So not the talk only, just see the how it's work and all. So let's start. First of all, I need to log in. So yeah, here is a basic authentication page was there. Let's sign in. So this is our dashboard. In dashboard we able to see some details and all, but our main part is workflow. We are able to build some workflow using the manual mode was there, AI prompt mode was there, hybrid mode was there. And if anyone don't have that idea that how I am able to build the workflows and all, so for that we have the different templates, like the text prompt concept to concept building, PDF briefing, massing concept and all, parameters to 3D building, massing to IFC export. So we have different of template was there. So let's start. Let's use one template. So yeah, we are able to see this is the basic workflow. Like when I just need to pass some text, like I want 5-floor building, and it's doing all of the task for its own. Like when I hit the run button, it's running, it's taking a text from actually behind it ChatGPT working on it, and taking all necessary sort of data regarding it, and creating the building description. So we able to see that building description was getting created, and after that massing generator was happen, and then we are able to see our building in a 3D form, as well as some data about it, like what is their square meter and all, the what is the height, what is the floor, and lots of things are there. So these are the basic workflow we are using the building using the build flow, and I hope that build flow will solve lots of problems in future. And we are working on lots of feature was there, we are lots of feature are going live in some days. So let's get hooked and let's build some awesome workflows. Bye bye.